As I promised, we keep working all day and night to deliver the best toolkit in the whole planet. And now I will be introducing our newest indicator called higher time frame delta highlighter. I will guide you through how you can add the newest indicator to your chart, how to set it up, and how you can use it to maximize your win rate. So first thing first, let's go to indicators tab and search for BORSA 321, and you will see BORSA 321 higher time frame volume delta highlighter clicked at your chart. So let's start from the beginning. What is higher time frame volume delta highlighter thing? It will show you in one chart maximum 6 higher time frame candles in only one chart. As you can see that default settings come with the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day and the 1 week. We didn't keep ourselves only putting the higher time frame. We added the world most improved delta. Delta means the net value of the buyers and the sellers. So if you see a minus delta here, it means that the selling pressure was higher than the buying pressure, and when you see the green, it is the exact opposite. Also, what we did is we have implemented the fair value gap, we have implemented the volume imbalances on all our higher time frames here. So as you can see on my chart that this is a bearish volume imbalance, this is a bullish fair value gap. Let's say the price is trading here and you got the A plus buy signal or the sell signal. Where you will target, you can obviously use a care package. Let's enable it, and you can see that we have the New York PM high, we have the New York lunch high, and also you can see that on the 5 minute time frame, this candle high you can easily target, and this candle low if you get the sell signal. This is for the 5 minute, and if you go to higher time frames like 1 hour, which is very important when you're trading and finding your bias, you have to go to 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day and the weekly chart before you start your day. It's a must. 4 hour higher time frame that we have this bullish fair value gap created, and after that price tries to go up, it's pulled back. It's where it pulled back. It's just halfway of this bullish fair value gap and it got rejected. Everything you can see at a glance. So you can just basically initiate a long position when the retest of this fair value gap happened, and you can target these candle highs. This is just a strategy that pops in my mind, and you can do a millions of things with the whole toolkit. You can find the absorption. What that means? Absorption means that you see a green candle but it printed a negative delta. It means it can be some pullback, it can be some reversal. You can understand very easily with the whole delta and the values features. What I want to do is now to go through the settings. As you can see that you can just simply enable 6 higher time frames, and you can choose all the time frames here, and this column means that how many candles you want to see. If you type in 5, in the 5 minute time frame you will be only seeing a 5 higher time frame candles, easy like that. If you just hit the OK button, a 5 higher time frame candles like this. So let's go back to settings, limit to next higher time frames only, it is 6. Another great feature is a custom daily open. Some of the traders are using this a lot. If you just enable it, you can choose either you can choose the midnight opening price, either you can choose 8:30 or 9:30. Whichever you want, the custom daily candle open will set it up automatically after you choose this. Next thing, one of my favorite addition and the feature of this is the delta and the values. If you enable it, as you can see, it comes with the default. It will show you all the delta and its values. If you just disable it, let's do it, and you will see only a basic red and green candle with the body and the wick. That's it. That's all you will get if you disable it. The styling, you can change whatever you want. The colors, the borders, the wick, the padding from the current candles means that the distance between this candle to this candle. If you make it 10, which is default setting, you will see this. If you make it 20, it will double up the whole padding here. The space between candles means that this space between the candles, if you increase, it's very self-explanatory. Space between higher time frames, again it's the same methodology with the current candles padding. If you just make it 10, all the candle space will be the same. Candle width, it's very self-explanatory. The label settings, this is a common question at the moment. Higher time frame label, if you enable it, it will plot a 5 minute, 15 minute, whatever it is. If you disable it, it will go away. You can change the color, you can change the size. Label position, if you make it both, it will plot on the upside and the downside. So if you just make it top, it will only plot on the top. And label alignment, I highly suggest you use the follow candles to see everything. Remaining time, very self-explanatory. It will count down the time of how many minutes or seconds left until this candle close. Next thing is day of the week. It will be only work on the daily higher time frame, since you can understand from the name. If you enable it, it will plot like this is Monday, this is Tuesday, Wednesday, blah blah, all that stuff. Imbalances, this is my favorite thing, as you guys know. The fair value gap, obviously we have added the volume imbalance. You can see everything in the higher time frame from now on. You can change the label size. 0 is a default settings. So trace lines is, you can choose either first time frame or the last time frame. It will anchor it automatically. So trace lines, it will plot here the open, close, high and low. It will plot everything here. So this is makes sense when you go like maybe 15 minutes or 1 hour, so you can trace the lines. That's actually everything we just implement to this higher time frame volume delta indicator. With this indicator, we have released a 4 indicator in the BORSA 321 toolkit, and obviously, as you can guess, we will not stop here. We will keep developing and we will keep delivering the best indicators to all kind of traders. And if you want to just learn more about it, you can find a lot of videos in my playlist over here. And if you still don't have the access, I am so sad for you. Just go click the link down below and grab your toolkit now.